You know, we have the Dustless Blasting DB500 Mobile S, and we use it all the time on big projects and small ones like this. So what we got going on is everybody around this area, when they need something blasted away and cleaned up, well, they send it to us, and we spend a little time probably every couple days blasting some parts. Now, this is a transfer case that's going to go in a show truck. Now, the guy knows the deal, man. If you were to try and sand this down by hand, it would take you all day, and you would never get it cleaned up. We can hit it with the DB500 Mobile S, clean it up, and then what he's planning to do with this thing is put like a clear coat on it so it'll have that nice finished aluminum look.
That'll look good, man, and we could save him a ton of time. It's a lot quicker just to bring it over here and do it with that. You know, while we're at it, we've got other things in the shop as well. This old gas tank kind of looks rough, right? It's all rusty.
Yeah.
Dude, we could take care of that in, not seconds, but I mean,
in
a minute.
In a few minutes.
Yeah, it's done.
The thing is about this unit itself, it is totally mobile. So everything you need is right here on our trailer. You've got the blast pot, you've got the generator, the water tank, the air compressor, everything you need to get the job done right here on this trailer. So that makes it really, really convenient.
So if you're looking at a system like this and you're thinking to yourself, man, that's a lot of different things going on. I don't know if I could really get a handle on all that. One of the best things about the whole Dustless Blasting system is all of their support. Their online support, they've got the online classes. It's like an online college for this stuff with videos and instructional stuff. They even have a Facebook group of owners, and everybody gets together and exchanges ideas. So all the support you need is right there as well.
Yeah, all right, I say we fire this thing up and get blasting.
Let's do it.
Am I up first?
Yeah,
all
absolutely.
Right.
I know you love it.
So getting started is pretty simple. You just walk over to the machine, turn it in the on position, and hold down the start button. Kicks on, you give it about 30 seconds or so for it to start building up pressure. At that point, open up the valve, and what I did is I cranked down the pressure to about 60 PSI, and as you can see, it's making short work of these aluminum parts and pieces.
Yeah, man, I bumped the PSI back up for that metal gas can, and I like the fact that everything's contained, right? You're doing it in one small area. The cleanup is nice and easy, and the water suppresses all the dust. You know, it's dustless. There's no big cloud hanging out.
You know, with this size unit, too, you can go approximately 60 minutes of continuous blast time, so that allows you to get a lot of work done. You're not stopping to have to refill a lot, and you can get a lot of stuff done, even big jobs, Matt, with a unit like this.
You know, you're not limited to automotive stuff like we're doing here. You think about it, there's so many different things. I mean, road stripe removal, that's got to get done every now and then. And another big one would be graffiti removal. You always think, well, how am I going to get that off of there? This is how you do it.
You know, the other thing, too, is there's a rust inhibitor that you can pour in your blast pot, and it allows you to go up to 3 days of cleaning the metal up where it's going to look nice and finished, where you don't have to worry about working with it, so you don't have any rust accumulate, which buys you a little time, and time is always good.
It is.